Every year, millions of secondary school students prepare for exams like WAEC and JAMB using past questions. But a past question paper doesn't teach you anything. It just tells you what you got wrong. What most students actually need is someone to sit down and explain it, step by step, the way a real tutor would. But personal tutors don't scale. Most students are left searching through long videos that may not even cover the exact question. They are stuck on, or worse, memorizing answers without ever understanding the method behind them. This is Science Tutor Agent, an AI system that takes any math or science question and turns it into a short, narrated, animated video that works through the solution the way a real tutor would. Why an agent, and not just a chatbot? Because solving a real exam question is not one step. It's a chain of decisions. Classify the topic, choose the right method, compute every number with total precision, turn that reasoning into a script, animate it, voice it, and assemble it into a video. Each of these needs a different kind of specialist, which is exactly what an agent pipeline is built for. Here is how the pipeline works. From any input, whether a PDF, a scanned image, or raw text, all the way to a finished video. First, an ingestion agent reads the input. It supports PDFs, scanned images, or raw text, extracting the questions into clean structured data, including a full description of any diagrams. A classification agent groups the question by subject and topic, and gives it a clear identifier. Then the solver agent takes over. This is the part we cared about most. It never guesses at arithmetic. Every calculation, every square root, every trig ratio, every equation is delegated to a deterministic math toolkit. So the reasoning can be creative, but the numbers are always verifiably correct. That solution becomes a step-by-step script, which a MANIM animation agent turns into working code. If the code fails to render, the agent reads its own error message and fixes the problem automatically, with no human stepping in. Finally, a voiceover agent narrates each step, timed exactly to the animation, and everything is assembled into one finished, ready-to-watch video. Let's see what that actually looks like. Here is a real past question. A ladder leaning against a wall. The agent recognizes it as a trigonometry problem, sets up the right triangle, and identifies which ratio applies. It chooses the cosine ratio, since the adjacent side and the hypotenuse are both known. Every number here is computed by a deterministic math toolkit, not guessed by the model, giving a verified answer of 67.4 degrees. Science Tutor Agent turns any question into a personal lesson, built with Gemini and Google Agent CLI for reasoning, a deterministic math toolkit for accuracy, and MANIM with MANIM voiceover for the animation and narration you've been watching. Thank you.